Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't.
Wild raspberries.
We got distracted by wild raspberries. Let's see if you can act like a billy goat and run right down there. Hop along there.
I'll roll right on down. Look how clear that water is.
Oh.
That water is like just crystal clear.
Oh my gosh, you can see every rock.
No goats here today.
Darn it.
You want me to go lick one of those rocks?
If you feel the need. Are you
I can't. It says area closed.
It's critical wildlife habitat though. You should fit right in.
Beautiful.
Arlington, Northern Santa Fe.
We're on the east side of Glacier now. It's just beautiful everywhere. The thing that surprises me is we're only at 5,026 feet in elevation.
So there's on average 155 days of snowfall per year in Glacier National Park. Rogers Pass receives an average of 10 meters, approximately 32.5 feet of snowfall at tree line each winter. 32.5 feet.
That's a lot of snow.
Wow.
Should be Dawson Falls is right there to the left, but it says no trespassing.
Oh, geez.
That's too bad. I'll bet you that fence thing will come out of the ground pretty easy. We'll sneak them in, and if we get caught, we'll say this is the Dawson.
All right, now we're in the little community of East Glacier, I believe. That's a cute little spot.
Say Dawson? No, sorry. It's past Dawson Creek.
Right turn.
That was an exciting tunnel.
Look at this lodge. Holy cow. It's huge.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so the train. Tracks. Wow, it's beautiful.
Look at these mountains. to the side of Lake St. Mary. And we're gonna be heading down, going to the Sun Road. Lake St. Mary. Dropping into the going to the Sun Road. I'll insert a picture here of the machines. Wow. This place is amazing. What do you think, babe?
It's absolutely stunning. If it just stayed like this all year, I could live here.
Yeah, one season.
One season, yep.
Right now season.
Yep.
Wild Goose Island. I got a couple pictures insert. There's another overlook right up here. See if it's any better. They're all, it's just, all of it's good. That's amazing.
So pretty. I'm just amazed by all the wild raspberries everywhere.
Do you like Glacier?
Oh, I love it. I'm so glad to be here.
This place is awesome. If you haven't been to Glacier, go to Glacier. Come to Glacier. Be at Glacier. Whatever. Majesty, 360 degrees. Oh my gosh. So there used to be chalets here. There used to be, yeah, chalets, like a hotel or something. The railroad would bring people in here so they could see this instead of like going to the Swiss Alps and stuff. Could you imagine a hotel on the edge of this lake right here? Wow.
Tame the wild beast.
this awesome or what?
Yeah, oh man.
Go.
Takes your breath away.
Here we are again. I brought her this time. That was a good move. Wow. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. We made it. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Amazing.
Oh, it's breathtaking.
I'm gonna check off for a minute. Now the sun came out for us. Check this out. This trip was absolutely incredible. I would highly encourage anybody that wants to take a side-by-side and go to Glacier National Park, do it. There's maps, there's programs out there. You can find your way. It's not that difficult. Back roads, dirt roads, mountain roads, side roads, county roads, all of it. You guys have to go and experience Glacier National Park on a side-by-side. That's going to be it for this one. I do have a whole lot more of this trip coming up, so like if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and you guys got to check out some of the stuff that happened on our way home. It was absolutely beautiful. It was amazing, and yeah, we had a couple of incidences that you don't want to miss, so subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this glacier trip. Now we got to get back home, so we'll catch you guys on the next one.